What's up, family? Dos Reeves here. Having a bit of trouble with the VQ40. I can actually, when I turn the key to try and crank the engine, I can actually hear the actuator engage, but the engine will not turn over. So somehow the engine seized. I don't know how or why. So I took off all the accessories, the compressor, pulleys, everything. And I'm going to take the timing cover off to see exactly what's going on. I may have to take off the intake manifold and valve covers as well. So any ideas, please let me know. Thanks.